Alina has the hiccups. Alina has the hiccups. What do you think? Yeah, they're terrible. We hate the hiccups. We hate the hiccups, don't we? Do we hate the hiccups? Yeah, we do. Go away, hiccup. You're bad. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Hi. Yeah. You telling everybody about it? Yeah. She's laying in her crib. Her little friend frog. I don't think you realize. I think you're talking to your frog, but he's on the other side. He's on the other side. He's over here. He's over here. Alright, we're going to try to make those hiccups go away. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? You don't have to. Okay.